Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again, your science teacher. And I was just looking at these websites, and there's some pretty good information on here. But sometimes information comes in the form of words, words that you have to read. And sometimes you have something like some instructions, and you're like, oh, my teacher always writes instructions with so many words. I wish somebody would read that to me. Well, now you can. And here's how you do it. You're going to open up a new tab, and then you're going to type into Google or anywhere, type in Google, read, and write. And then click that. And the first thing that pops up will be this, read and write from Google Chrome. Click on that. This is something called an extension to Google. It's basically a little tool that you can add on. And so we're just going to click this Add to Chrome button. Add the extension. This is actually something that our school district already has. Yep, we'll do that. Believe it or not, I actually did read this, and yes, we should click on it. There's a couple more clicks coming up. Agree to everything. All right, so yep, we're just gonna keep all of our data synced. Yep, we're syncing. All right, so now what just appeared is this little read and write symbol. It's like a puzzle piece, but it's up here. So here's the cool thing. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to those instructions from my teacher. Now I'm gonna click the read and write button, and that, oh, I did it twice. Up popped up this toolbar. Yep, that's Google again. Just click on your account and allow. Okay, so this toolbar popped up, and there's a lot of buttons. They're all useful, but here's the one I want to show you about today. It is the reading button. So I'm just going to highlight this text starting where I want it to start, and then I'm going to press the play button.
The Wave, 8 points. Benjamin Songquist, April 20th, edited April 20th. Open the Wave Collage Google Drawing and make a collage, mixture of words, pictures, symbols, about waves. In your collage, answer the questions. 1. What is a wave? 2. What does a wave look like? 3. What kinds of waves are there? Class comments. Your work.
Okay, so then I'm going to pause it because it'll just keep reading that website for you. And you can pause it. You can start at a different spot. Let's say I got to read this website about craters. I'm going to go to that, click on the Google Read and Write toolbar, and I'm going to start right here. Actually, I want to know where it came from. So, looks like I clicked on the link. Go back. So sometimes it can be a little tricky to highlight things so that Google Read and Write will do it. So just play around with it and see how you can make it work. Let's see where it starts right now.
Resource Library Encyclopedic Entry. Crater. A crater is a bowl-shaped depression produced by the impact of a meteorite, volcanic activity, or an explosion.
Pause. Okay, interesting. So I'm glad to know about that. I'm going to scroll down here a little bit, and I'm going to start again right here.
Grades, 612 plus.
Oh, so I got to press stop and then play. Okay.
Happy Face Crater. A crater is a bowl-shaped depression, or hollowed-out area, produced by the impact of a meteorite, volcanic activity, or an explosion. This cheery crater on Mars was the result of a happy accident, a meteor impact. Photographed by NASA JPL MSSS.
Okay, I'm going to pause it.
A crater is a bowl-shaped depression, or hollowed-out area.
Stop it right there. I'm just getting used to it too. So I want to show you how to use this tool. Hopefully it can be useful to you. If you're trying to remember, how do I get that again? Just go back to the beginning of this video and check it out. All right, everybody. See you on the internet.